Welcome to the Investment Process Channel. I am C3 Christopher Campbell. This is the channel where we teach people how to create generational wealth through trading. This is week 48. I've been a little under the weather. I was like out from like Wednesday till approximately till today. Yesterday I started feeling a little bit better. Had an upper respiratory thing going on. So so I don't know. I haven't really been paying too close attention to the market, but we're gonna see from our trading plan what happened from our trading plan to this week. One of the other things also to note is I will be switching from MetaTrader to a TradeView type platform, but it's web-based. So the broker I use switched. So this will probably be the last time I do a trading plan on MetaTrader. Let's get into this week. Okay, let's take a look at NAS. Let's go ahead and zoom in. This is our daily. See, it never quite made it back into this area we were looking for it to go into. It's still pushing strong bullish. Got what? Good 4 more days until the end of the month, so it's probably pretty much doing all it's going to do for the month. But we'll probably get a small wick, or it might just get sideways. But we'll see. We'll see next week. I would just be patient. But NAS has just been really bullish for towards the end of the week. So we're having a little bit of delay. Again, we see NAS has been pushing, still pushing. Probably a little pullback on the monthly. We got 4 days left. We'll just watch and see what's going to happen. Let me clean this up, and let's look at a trade plan for the week. Okay, here we are. NAS again. What we were looking at, price to get up to here. Let me see if that was it on the weekly. No, we're looking forward to get a little higher, actually. Wanted it to touch here. 16,304, 305, excuse me, 16,305, roughly. Again, we had a nice, strong, bullish week. Daily. Hit that high. There was resistance and, came back into this area here. But it's printing right side ranges, nice consolidation. So it's not leaving a lot behind, a lot of imbalance. So what does the trading plan look like for the week? This is our new range. Let's go to our 4 hour. If you are not already in a move, I would just play it safe. This is the range. Maybe price might try to come back into this area here. If not, you see what the range is currently. Any buys in this area here is a good place to buy. You don't want to buy up here, right? And 4 hours has been showing a little bearish pattern. This may or may not be the turning point. So we're going to look here and make sure that we're watching. If it breaks below, let me put these here. If it breaks below here, I will start looking for selling positions. We get a 4 hour close below. $157.60. I will start looking for some selling positions. Again, we're looking for a confirmation at 158.10 that it's going to continue up. But this will be a nice pullback area for it to continue up. and then pull back and maybe touch there and come back and close bullish for the month still. The candle's bullish for the month regardless, but the week is what we're looking at, right? We want the week to pull back into this area here, then continue up. That would be perfect. So that's the trading plan for NAS. Let's go over to gold. Here we are on gold. Again, you see price pull back. Let's go to daily. All those stops that were back here, people thought it was going down. Like I said, these are two areas we wanted to come to. It never even made it there. We had that pullback, and then it went right and took out those stop losses that were here. Went back and hit this 2005 top of the range. And now we got a little pullback. So it's looking like it's still doing this bullish thing. The month's still bullish. Okay. Let's go ahead and clean this up and see where price is going to now, since we've already broken the monthly high. Okay, again, bullish month. Got a wick up here. What is it going to look like the rest of the week? Weekly came right back to this high, right? And rejected from that area. Daily. So we had this candle with no wick on the daily. When will it be taken out? We don't know. Small little bit of imbalance right there. Again, that's the reason why I noted this this doji. You see we had this little pullback and it just took back off. That's why I said it might have been an evening star. But watching the market, we know, look, it came right back into this area here. We knew it wasn't the turn that we thought we wanted, right? We wanted a nice strong close below here. Nice strong close. But there was no strong close. We had this almost another doji for the next day. And then price took back off and re-challenged 2005 here. So with that being said, this is our range right here. Again, we had this nice little area here we want price to come back to. Let's look out on 4 hour. Yeah, if we could get price to come back into this area here, that would be like super dope. Before continuing up. However, overall price is still showing bullish. So you play it bullish, right? Excuse me. We had one rejection. Prices kind of clean up this imbalance here. Clean up that imbalance. Will price do? I would look forward to pull back close to this area. I don't know that it's going to pull back to this area, then probably re-challenge 2005. Now, with that being said, if it challenges 2005, we get a 4 hour close above that, then look, we know we're still moving that way. And again, we have 4 days left in the month. Let's keep that in mind. That means the month is going to produce, like, maybe push that wick that it has already and make the wick longer, and then a little pullback, or it might just leave it where it is and then kind of stay right below the high of the month so far. So with that being said, again, we're looking for either a 4 hour close above 2005, or we're looking for a close, 4 hour close below 1965 to show momentum has changed. Either way, we're waiting right now. There's nothing telling us that there's any difference in the market today than it was last week or the week before. We're in a bullish market. We should be getting positions for bullish positions. So let's keep looking for that and preparing and getting nice, good positions based off of that. British pound, Japanese yen. Okay, here we are, British pound, Japanese yen. Boom. I'm on a 4 hour. Let's look at this daily. Zoom in. This price hop right down into this imbalance here. The rest of the instruments that we were trading, and I think I might only be talking British pound. Excuse me. I might switch over to just NAS and gold. It appears not too many people are interested in British pound, Japanese yen. That was a pair I traded. I'll get a little bit more feedback and see what we're looking at. So looking at this, it pulled right back into this area here and then took off. See, we got this one candle here, and then again, 4 hopped out, right? It pulled right back into this area and then just took off. You got it support in this imbalance area. So again, bullish candle. We're all bullish. Let's clean this up and see what our plan is for the week. Okay, here we are. Again, nice bullish monthly candle. Small wick though. That's the reason why I think it may challenge it again and make a bit larger wick and then pull back. But we don't know. So going here to the weekly. Again, nice bullish candle. We're not really seeing anything. Let's see where price can potentially go to though. We're definitely looking for price to come into this area here. Again, we're looking at price being bullish. So that's how we're playing it, right? That's how we're looking at the market. Price being bullish, and I think this is the next place price can go to. We want price to go to and through there. Right now, it's showing us this was another high. We had a breaker structure. It created a new high, right? So the next high we want to go 191.15, right? 191.16 ish. So, all right. Let's do a plan for the week. This is our new range here. Best plan is we want price to pull back into this area here. And then continue up. 187.58. Let's look at it on a 4 hour. Yeah, so we got 2 areas here we want price to pull back to. This is, for me, this is premium. And we want price to come back down into one of these 2 areas here, get support, and then continue up. That's best. Can price come all the way back down to here? I know you see this imbalance down here. It's possible. In my mind, for a fact, we're probably going to definitely reach these 2 areas here. Yeah, so we got this here. I can just delete this. Because looking at these ranges here, on the hourly, it's pretty much cleaned up. And it's come back here to clean this one up. So yeah, we're looking for price to come back into this area here. Yeah, not so much down here. That's the reason why I said it may come back all the way down here, looking at that. But even seeing that, you know, price has already been down here. It may come back and challenge it, but I'm really looking for price to come back into 187.63. It didn't continue up. Any confirmation after there, set your stop loss back here, going up. If it continues down and breaks down into here, we know we need another buy position at that point. So, okay, that's the trading plan for the week. Thank you guys for joining. Again, I will be doing more. I've already been on the TradeView platform. I just want to get a little bit more fluid with it before I start presenting on this channel. So we'll have to flip our mind and get our mind back different to understand that tool and how to use it for our instruments based off of that. I know a lot of people use MetaTrader. It's just my brokerage, they changed, so this platform will have to change. And there's no reason you should not be able to do the same thing on whatever platform your tool you're using to trade off of. The plan is the plan. So we're looking for the same imbalances. We're looking for the same places. I just want to be a little bit more fluid, so when I'm presenting, I'm not presenting a lot of other information. So again, hey, thanks for stopping by the channel. We'll be moving over. I want to put you guys on another channel. It's called Wallet Monkey. They're very good for business owners as far as people getting business credit and things like that. They have a Discord as well. I was on their Discord recently, and I don't know what to call him, the guy that founded the channel and the company, he said he keeps getting this question about why do people need a lot of credit? And my comment was, not comment to him, but my comment is people say that about people going to the gym and working out. Like, why is that important? Until you get into a situation where people, you have a bypass, your cholesterol is too high, you know, you end up with diabetes or whatever, then there's no reason. Then they make you go work out, right? And the best thing people always tell you is you get things when you don't need it. Because when you need it, guess what? They don't give it to you. So it's best to build up your credit, build up your business credit, whatever it is that you have ahead of time while you're building your business. It's best to have those things available to you, because you never know. If you got to go buy a, let's say a machine, like if you have a landscaping business, you want to like chop up some leaves, and you know you're trying to collect from everybody, and you're like, man, I need this leaf chopper, not a blower, you know, but a chopper that, you know, sucks it up and then chops it up and then puts it in the back of something. But it's $6,000. Now you got to go to this company like, hey, I need $6,000 credits, but you know, I'll pay you over time. They're like, we don't give out credit. But if you had business credit, you know, and let's say you had 3 business cards with $2,000 a piece, or in this case, because it's $6,000, you had 3 business cards with $2,000 a piece. You max those out, and then you go around to all your people. Let's say $6,000. Let's say, I don't know how much is it. Let's say it's $150 to come and break all the leaves up and then chop them up and remove them off site. You're charging people $150 for that. That times, you know, divided by 6,000. Let me do that math real quick. 6,000 divided by 150. So you need 40 clients, right? You need 40 clients. Let me see if you can see that. Yeah, you need 40 clients to pay for your leaf blower. And then if you have the credit, guess what? 40 clients, your credit card's paid off. Now you got a leaf blower, no problem. But if you don't have the credit available to you, you don't have that opportunity. You don't have that opportunity to provide that service to your clients. And basically, especially, I'm talking more business, because on this channel, we teach people how to, you know, create generational wealth. One of those is owning a business. You want to pass something down to your family, pass a business down to your family. If you want to pass down a a family bank, they credit is all a part of that. And to have credit available to you is way better than not to have it. I lived many years without credit because somebody told me like they put the stigma of credit being bad, right? Um, um, I'm gonna say my brother, he's like, I had this one credit card and I use that's it. I don't need a bunch of credit. That's people that don't trust themselves with credit. Once you learn what credit is, I literally had one credit card because nobody else would give me a credit card because initially I had a bunch of stuff on my credit from I never had a credit card. When I went to apply for a credit card, they told me I couldn't get one. I had to put up, I had to get a what is it, secure card. I had to put up money for it, right? Because I had like hospital bills and a bunch of other stuff on there. I never even knew I had. I worked a job and I got hurt at work and they never paid the bill, but it was on my credit report. I had I don't know, it was some other things on there, but this was a long time ago. And then once I learned about that, I got everything wiped off, got everything cleaned off, and sure enough, next thing they told me, you don't have any credit. So now you're not gonna give me a credit card. So I did. I went to I've been in the military, so I went to a well-known company and got their secure card, and then maxed it out to like $5,000 because if you don't know anything about credit, people only lend you what you already can manage, right? So I had one credit card, $5,000 credit limit on it, and I kept using it. And over time, with traveling and stuff, I had high utilization. Then you learn all the other stuff. But anyway, go over to Wallet Monkey channel. They have a whole website up, and they dedicate themselves. There's a bunch of people in there that talk about different credit cards, different lines of credit, different types of credit for your business, and ways to what is that? It was VIP Financial was the other channel. They called them debt weapons. Okay, so that's the word I'm looking for. So the reason why I'm telling you about this is debt weapons. So I learned this first time I learned that word is called from VIP Financial, another channel. I'm a YouTube University believer, trust me, because there's a lot of things we just don't know. I learned about debt weapons from there, and having credit is a debt weapon. So when you're in a crunch or you're trying to build your business up, or maybe purchase more property for your business, or purchase that one tool or one piece of equipment that you need for your business, whether it be a laptop, iPad, I don't know, whatever it may be, it's good to have a debt weapon. And I know I'm talking very low level, but I know other business people, their personal and business line of credits is nowhere short of $150,000. You're like, what do I need $150,000 for? You never know. You never know. So the reason why I'm bringing it up again, the thing was somebody made a comment, and the owner said, "Why do people keep asking me, why do you need all this credit?" Trust me, having debt weapons available to you in a crunch puts you in a better position than trying to get it last minute from somebody. Trust me. So, guys, have a great week. I'll talk to you soon. Go over to that channel, Wallet Monkey, and they also have a website. I probably will start putting it in my description. Wallet Monkey. I'll probably become a affiliate. I have an affiliate link. It's nothing to join. All the information is pretty much free, but they have a Discord, and they have a paid portion of Discord, and they do have courses and stuff for you to take. But the website is pretty much free. It's pretty much free. And then you go to their YouTube channel. All that information is free as well. So thanks for stopping by. You guys have a great time. Have a great week. I'll talk to you soon. Peace.